this.
Hello. What's your name?
My name's Gabriel.
Gabriel. You ready for school tomorrow?
No,
Why not?
I just see you.
Huh? Why not? Huh? Are you ready for your playgroup tomorrow?
No,
Why not?
I just
Bakit? Ba't ayaw mo mag-playgroup?
I was sleeping.
Ay, gusto mo lang mag-sleep?
Yeah.
Ha? Ha? Gusto mo lang mag-sleep? Hmm? Ayaw mo makipaglaro sa mga friends mo?
I'm tired.
Ha?
I'm tired of playing.
Ah, you tired of playing?
Yeah, I'm tired to run.
Ah, you're tired of running?
Yeah.
Ay, hindi ka naman magraran tomorrow? Ha? Will you be running tomorrow? All day? Hindi naman, ha? Ah, sleep na si Gabe, ready for playgroup tomorrow pala yan, eh. Oh. Ay, nag-i-snore pa pala. Uy, talaga naman, ah. Oh, kiss mo na muna si Daddy. Good night, kiss si Daddy. And then, see you in the morning. Good night, kiss si Daddy, ah. Dali na. Ha? Oh, good night, kiss si Daddy. Dali na. Ha? Oh, tinang... Ay, what's that? Ano yun?
Bata.
Bata? Ano nangyari sa bata?
I did inside.
Outside? O, ano nangyari sa bata sa outside?
I did.
Hmm?
Sabi niya.
Sabi niya. Oh. Anong oras na ba? What time is it?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Let me see. Is it 9 o'clock really?
Yeah.
Well done pala si Kibi. Very good pala yan eh. 9 o'clock na nga ng night eh.
About the light one.
Ha?
The light.
Oh.
About that one down there.
Down there.
No.
Which one?
Yes.
That's the... What's that?
Electric one.
Electric fan. Ah, sige na, sleep na ikaw and then ready for your playgroup tomorrow,
I
okay?
don't like the playgroup.
You don't like the
I'm
playgroup?
just sleeping.
Ah. Gisingin ka ni Daddy ng 8 o'clock, okay?
I don't like electric one.
I don't like it. Oh, kiss na si Daddy. Kiss na ako. Good night, kiss na si Daddy and then see you in the morning. And then bigyan kita ng milk. Ha? Ah, dali na, kiss na ako. Good night. Good night. See you in the morning.